Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold is moving from 24th, 23rd, 24th and now on 25th. See, and the full week I will tell you, and then I'll make video on for next week. My next video will be for full next week. So now what will be the price of gold on the coming day, 24th as well as 25th. See, as you can see that the price of gold is moving in this particular range. As you can see, look at this, from here to this range. This is from 22nd. Okay, after breaking this range it has come up, bounced up, and then from there it is moving in this particular range. Okay, after, see, now what you have to understand in this, that the price of gold is moving in this particular range. Once this range is broken upside or downside, then we can see some trend. See, this market is called range bound. Okay, the market is range bound for 2-3 days, from 2-3 days. So now what we can see at looking at this, see, at this point of time, okay, the gold price is moving after making a high of 1814 for the day. It is came down and now in this particular range. Okay, if the price of gold goes above 1810 or 1110 or 1811, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1814. Okay, once it can, if it touches this level and stays above for some time, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1818 and so on, which I have already suggested you in my last video. See, if you have any position, you can mail me at Stock Market Trading Live. We can discuss how to hedge your position. Okay, or if you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me. Then we can decide the time and we can do one-on-one workshop, or you can attend my webinar also. I keep you posted. See now this candle is, the red candle is made. So if the trend, see, 1806, okay, once this level is break, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1804. okay, if it stays for some time at this level downside, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1800. okay, this is the downside support I'm telling you, or the targets. Okay, once it stays below this level, the next support will come, will be at around 1798 to 1795. 95 will be the target. Okay, 1795 will be our target. Okay, after 1795, what we can expect, once it break this level, then we can expect it can touch a level of, the next support that we can see is 1789. okay, once this level is crossed and the gold price stays below this level, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1782. okay, and once 1782 is touched, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1778 to 1775. okay, hope you are understanding how I am analyzing the charts. And see, I'll show you the trend also. See, at this level the trend is this way. okay, after breaking this range, it went up, and then from there it came down and halted for some time. Once it's break this level downside, then we can see the level which I have already told you. See, after breaking a level of 1780, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1776, 1775 around, and then from there we can see a next support of 1767. okay, once this level is touched, then we can see a level of 1760, which is a low point, which is a strong support. Once this level is crossed, 1760, okay, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1750 or 52. okay, now we'll talk about if the gold price moves upside. Suppose if the gold price move above 1810 or 1811, and stays above for some time, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1814, and if stays above this, then we can expect a target of 1818. Once 1818 is achieved, as we have seen that the trend is in this particular range, once this range is broken, then we can expect 1818, then 1824 to 1826 will be our target, next target. Once this level is achieved, then we will be expecting 1835. Look at this chart. Okay, once 1835 is achieved, which is a strong support, I have already told you 1830 is also good to support, a good resistance. But once 1835 is reached, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1842, then 1848, okay, then 1852, then 1858, okay, and then 1862. Okay, after touching 1852, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1860, okay, then 1868 to 1872. Okay, this is what we can expect from it. Once 1872 is touched, then we can expect 1878 and 1885. These are the level I am telling you for Friday, and then I'll make a next video for Monday, the coming week. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.